Ever tried asking an AI to write code, only to end up debugging its mistakes? You're not alone. Large language models, LLMs, are incredible at translating natural language into code, but here's the catch: they're not flawless. Think of them as an inexperienced assistant. They might mix up commands, use non-existent functions, or skip critical steps. The result? Code that looks correct but fails to work. For non-programmers, fixing these issues feels like deciphering a recipe written in a foreign language. But what if we could guarantee that AI-generated code actually does what it's supposed to? That's the bold goal of a groundbreaking study by researchers at the University of Illinois and IBM. They're tackling a core challenge, making AI code assistants not just helpful but trustworthy. Let's break it down. LLMs excel at converting your instructions into code, but they lack a deep understanding of the underlying logic. Imagine asking an AI to set up a Python environment on these servers. The generated code might appear valid, but it could miss dependencies, use outdated commands, or misconfigure settings. Spotting these errors is like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially if you're not a developer. The solution? A system called Astrogator, a digital quality checker designed to validate AI-generated code against your original intent. Here's the key innovation. Instead of just analyzing the code itself, Astrogator uses a formal query language to bridge the gap between your natural language request and the actual code. Think of it as a precise checklist that ensures the code aligns with your requirements. How does it work? Let's say you tell an AI, set up a Python environment on these servers. Astrogator translates this into a structured math-like query that defines every step of the process. It then verifies the code against this query, checking for compliance at each stage. If the code skips a critical action or uses an incorrect command, the system flags it immediately. In tests across 21 Ansible code generation tasks, Ansible being a language for automating IT systems, Astrogator caught errors 92% of the time and confirmed correct code 83% of the time. While not perfect, this represents a massive leap forward in ensuring AI-generated code is both functional and accurate. Why does this matter? Imagine a future where you can describe a task in plain English, and the code just works. No more debugging, no more guesswork. This isn't just about improving AI. It's about democratizing programming, making it accessible to beginners, non-experts, and even seasoned developers who want to minimize errors. Of course, challenges remain. Formal verification is inherently complex, and Astrogator's current design is tailored to specific languages like Ansible. But the researchers argue that the principles behind it could inspire smarter AI tools across programming domains. So the next time you see an AI write code, remember, it's not just about syntax. It's about ensuring the code means what you want it to. And that's the future this study is helping build. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to write code for you if it came with a correctness guarantee? Let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll tackle the next big breakthrough together.